This Vista Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by Howard Wood DRE number 00477685. Sunny south side of building with ocean view. This building is the southernmost in complex, so very convenient to bike path, beach, pier, restaurants, etc. This secure condo has a newer sliding door to large private balcony with view of ocean, park and PV. The interior has newer carpet and paint throughout to relax and feel comfortable in your new home. Newer kitchen, with stainless steel appliances which includes refrigerator and microwave, opens to living room. Bathroom is updated. Master bedroom has sliding doors opening to balcony and walk-in closet. The Village Condos amenities include 2 beautiful ocean view resort-type pools with spas and a fitness center. Also, beautiful walkways meandering through the lush grounds with a stream and trail. There is a community laundry room in building, and parking is space number 179 located under building 640. For more information, review the details below or contact Howard Wood DRE number 00477685 at 310-503-4575.